Hello, this is Tuesday, February the 25th, and it is the 25th. I just did a whole Stitch Fix video and somebody just came in the office. And I'm on my lunch hour, so I am going to redo this video and hopefully it comes out good. Okay, I have a Stitch Fix. Let me get my paper here. It fell on the floor. Let me go through this again. Okay. Used to tell you what Stitch Fix this was. It don't say on here. You know, like how many it's been? Okay. So I have 8 items in this box. The whole box of 8 items is $430.91. Now, if I buy 5 or more things, I get 25% off. And if I buy everything, I'll get $20 off too. So if I buy every single thing in this box, which you know I'm not going to, it would be $303.18. So the most expensive thing in this box looks like a blouse for $79, and the cheapest is a blouse for $22.97. So let's see what we have. Okay, so they did send me a pair of shoes, which I don't normally get shoes, but this is Dr. Scholl's Timeless Flat in black, and this is $60. Now these are not my style because they are really plain, and I always like a little hardware on my shoes, so I know this is probably going to be a no. So I'm really not, well, I could try them on, I guess. I was going to say it's not going to entertain the idea, but you know, my Michael Kors black flats that I did a unboxing on are cheaper than these. That's hard to believe, isn't it? I'm gonna have to watch that door because we don't have our doorbell listed in case anybody else comes in. Okay, so these are a pair of pants, and they are Liverpool Kayla pull-on trouser in black. Now I liked these because of the pattern, because it's different, and they would go really good with black tops, which I have a lot of black tops. They're not the stretchiest pants, so I'll have to see what they do. Now these pants are, what did I say they were? Liverpool. $61.97, which is pretty cheap for Stitch Fix pants. Okay, next I have another pair of pants. Tribal Fila Cuff Straight Trouser in olive, and these are they not listed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there they are. $64. Now these are stretchy, and these are a green pair of pants. They don't really look like it on camera, but they are stretchy, which these would go with black tops too. I'm gonna put these back. And these pants are they the same? Tribal. Yeah, they're the exact same pants, but these are light green, which these look more olive and those look more green, but it's the same exact pant, and they are very stretchy. I mean, I'll give them a try because I do need more pants. I just have like navy and black. Okay, so this is another pair of pants. It is Violets and Roses Gilia straight leg pant in purple. Now I think these are super stretchy, and I do have 2 pair of Violets and Roses pants, but this is kind of a neat color. I do like that. It's kind of pretty. There's nothing to them, just plain old pants. But that would really look good with black. Okay, that's that. I think that's it in my pants. Okay, so wait a minute. Well, how much were they? Woo, $34.97. Must be on sale. Okay, Les Sarin Shasta blouse in purple, which this is a 3/4 length top. Nothing fancy, nothing on it, just a top, but it is very sheer. You would definitely have to wear something under it. I don't know why this jacket keeps going sideways. Okay, that goes in here. Okay, next is, oh yeah, I did tell you how much it was. That messed me up having to do this twice. Okay, next is Liverpool Amelia double layer flutter sleeve blouse in blue. And this is the most expensive thing in the box. This is $79. I do like it, but as you know, you never know how things are going to look when you try it on. This one's sheer, but not as sheer as that last one. Some things I'm like, for sure, I'm going to love it. And then I try it on, I'm like, it's not going to work. Okay, last thing. 41 Hawthorne Jennings blouse in black. Now I do like this. It's sleeveless, but I could always, it's got a collar to it. I could always wear a sweater or something over it. So this is $49. So that is what I have in my Stitch Fix box. And I pretty much like everything in there except these shoes I'm not crazy about. Hopefully I can get all that back in my box and take it home. I will try this stuff on tonight and then let you know what I decide. So there you go. Watch me get all these clothes and then get a job that I can wear jeans. You never know. But I've been looking and looking and looking and applying, and I'm not getting any luck. Everybody says, oh, have you tried this? Have you tried this place? Have you? I'm like, they are not hiring. I have cold sent my resume in to a couple places with a cover letter. Nothing. And the places I have applied, nothing back. And I do follow like a interview coach on Instagram, and she just said, she says, don't call these people, you know, I mean, they know you're interested or you wouldn't have applied, and they know where to find you if they want to. I just can't believe with my medical experience and secretarial and managing experience that I have not gotten anything, any bites at all. It's just disappointing. I don't know what I'm going to end up doing if I can't find anything. I have 3 more paychecks at my current job, and that's it. So that's kind of scary. Yeah, there's not much else I can do. It's just hope and pray I get a job. So that is my Stitch Fix, and I will try it on tonight, and I will let you know what happens. See you guys.